Hey, my friends, welcome back. Astuo, Burung. How you doing, guys? Well, now I'm gonna show you. Well, before I get to that, I just want to say thank you for watching, and please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions regarding to this vehicle, put it in the comment box. Also, please, the feedback, put it in the comment box. I need to know what you think so I can improve this channel. Alright? Astuo, Burung. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this 2006 Lexus, aka Lexus GS300. Alright? The car is running right now, as you can see. Okay, you're not gonna play with this, neither with that. What you're gonna do is play with this guy right here. You see this? Press it. Voila. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna press this guy until you get the mileage. Once you do that, press these two guys, the trip and the reset button at the same time. Press it and hold it, and then shut it down. Click it once. Well, right now it's running, right? So just click it once. Once it's shut down by itself, shut down, after you click it once, keep holding it, keep holding both, and click it twice, okay? I'm gonna show you how it looks like once you do that. Alright, now you're gonna see that message and just let it go. And that's how you reset this 2006 Lexus, aka Lexus GS300. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. And please, I beg, any comments, any suggestions, anything you need to say, put it in the comment box for me, please. Alright? And don't forget the feedback. I need that. Alright? It's Astuo. See you in the next one. Alright? Burung. Take care. Alright. Hala. Meow.